So I've seen these on Amazon for a little while now, but I figured I could use a couple of these for the house. This is a deformable LED garage light. These get very bright for their size. So let's just have a quick look. See what they give us here. 2 lights and the instructions. 150 watts. It's actually not too bad. Deformable design. Lamp heads can be adjusted. And that's like one of the main things that I like about these is unlike a normal light bulb where you can't really direct the light, these you can really direct it wherever you want it. So you can see you just lift the arms out and you can deflect these to any which way you want. So that's what it looks like. Now the construction of this whole thing, it's actually like, it's almost like it's its own appliance, so to speak. This isn't your normal light bulb, obviously. The entire body is made out of a highly durable plastic, it looks like. And then these, yeah, I'm pretty sure these are metal. And then this is plastic. So I'm gonna find a lamp to stick this into. So you guys are gonna be blown away with how much light this thing puts out. Doesn't really get all that hot either, not like a normal bulb. Now when I first put this in, I'd accidentally left the switch on and I was almost blinded by how bright this thing is. Let's try it in something else. All right, so I'm in the garage. See how dark it is? Even with my phone's really good low light visibility, you can still barely see anything. How about now? You guys can see I've got this thing on one of these. That is just incredible, the amount of light that this puts out. So I would definitely recommend one of these, or 2 of them, or whatever you happen to buy. Definitely a cool item.